Indeed, assuming you put $10 in Avalanche today and the worth of the symbolic ascents throughout the following couple of days, you will wind up acquiring a benefit on this speculation. Here is a model. Conquora, a profoundly legitimate crypto estimating stage, has demonstrated in its principal and specialized investigation of the AVAX token that the altcoin's worth will undoubtedly top $35.0 toward the finish of 2022. This means a 400% plus addition from the symbolic's ongoing business sector cost. It likewise says that in the event that you put $10 in AVAX today and hold until, you will have developed the venture to $40 and made a $30 benefit. Additionally, aside from making this recurring automated revenue producing stream, putting resources into Avalanche likewise allows you to enhance your portfolio. What is the right amount to invest in Avalanche, AVAX? There is no perfect add-up to contribute with regards to crypto contributing. Similarly as with most other customary ventures, there is no standard least or greatest speculation sum. You are allowed to contribute as little as possible and however much you are okay with. In any case, considering that different crypto trades and businesses keep up with exchanging and store essentials, your genuine least speculation not set in stone by your decision of exchanging stage. The greatest, then again, not entirely settled by such factors as your gamble resilience, venture procedure, speculation objectives, and discretionary cash flow. That in any case, most monetary specialists will encourage you to just consider changing over somewhere in the range of 5% and 40% of your portfolio to digital currencies. Around 5% or beneath for the gamble-opposed and unpracticed financial backers, or around 40% for the exceptionally experienced and risk-lenient long-haul financial backers. The amount could you be worth if you invested in Avalanche, AVAX, in 2020. AVAX tokens were first profited to the public through an ICO in July 2020, with a for every symbolic valuation of $0.5. At the ongoing cost of $85, the altcoin's worth has valued by 17,000%. If you, along these lines, had put $100 in the Ethereum executioner at that point, you would have developed this venture to $17,000 today. Might I at any point buy Avalanche, AVAX, with $1? Indeed, most of crypto exchanging stages accessible today will allow you to purchase fragmentary units of such altcoins as Avalanche. A small bunch of these will try and allow you to purchase AVAX with just $1. In any case, note that despite the fact that a trader business can process $1 AVAX exchanges, it will quite often keep a higher store least. For instance, the Binance exchanging stage that is most popular for keeping up with moderately low exchange limits has a generally higher store least of $15. Could I at any point buy Avalanche, AVAX, worth $100? Indeed, for all intents and purposes all the crypto exchanging stages that run down Avalanche will allow you to purchase AVAX tokens worth $100. To begin, notwithstanding, most of these exchanging stages will request that you initially make a merchant account with them and confirm your character. You will likewise have to store an adequate number of assets to cover the exchanging sum and exchange expenses. Might you at any point lose money on Avalanche, AVAX? Indeed, it is feasible to lose cash while exchanging or putting resources into Avalanche. The four most well-known courses through which you can lose cash with Avalanche incorporate losing to programmers, either the individual wallet or trade holding your tokens, tricksters, misfortunes occasioned by careless exchanging, and misfortune to fail to remember passwords and recuperation seed for a non-custodial wallet. Will Avalanche, AVAX, make me rich? Indeed, odds are high that Avalanche will make you rich over the course of the following couple of years, assuming you begin effective financial planning today. This positive thinking is educated by the way that basically all the cost-determining measurements highlight a bullish future for the Ethereum executioner. In the following 5 to 10 years, different crypto specialists and specialized this means somewhere in the range of 20 and 50 increase expanding of your ongoing speculation and is sufficient to make you unbelievably rich. The amount would I have if I invested $1,000 in AVALANCHE The solution to this question is relative and to a great extent subject to when you made the speculation. Expecting that you purchased the altcoin during its ICO in July 2020, you would have $170,000 today. Further, expecting that you missed the ICO and purchased your most memorable AVAX tokens when they sent off in the open business sectors in September 2020, you would have $21,000 today. What will AVAX be worth in 2025? Nobody can precisely anticipate what Avalanche tokens will be worth in 2025. Nonetheless, the overall assessment inside the crypto local area is that AVAX will support an upswing for the following couple of years and will in all probability be worth much more than its ongoing business sector cost. Actually, most of forecasters place its most probable per token worth toward the finish of 2025 at somewhere in the range of $800 and $3,000. Specialists at Cryptopolitan, for instance, hold that moves up to the Avalanche organization, scaled reception of blockchain innovation, and a recuperating crypto market will assist Avalanche with supporting a moderate upswing that sees it reach $850 by December 2025. Specialized investigators at Governor Capital, then again, anticipate that Avalanche should bounce back quickly and leave on a rapid upturn that sees it end the year 2025, exchanging around $1,950. What was the highest value for one Avalanche, AVAX? Torrential Slide hit its ongoing all-time high of $146 on 21 November 2021. Is it smart to invest in Avalanche, AVAX? Indeed, and there are three key factors that make Avalanche a brilliant speculation. First off, it has performed exemplarily well before developing its worth by over 17,000% in under a year and a half. Besides, it is additionally shown to be an enormously strong crypto resource, seeing that it endured the mid-2021 market slump effortlessly. Finally, its technicals and basics demonstrate that there is as yet enormous space for future worth increase. These make Avalanche a practical long-haul speculation and, basically, a savvy crypto venture. Could I at any point buy $500 worth of Avalanche, AVAX? Indeed, any of the exchanging stages that run down Avalanche will allow you to purchase AVAX tokens worth $500. At the hour of compassing, AVAX is ready to move on such famous crypto trades as Binance and OKEx, as well as on various distributed exchanging stages. What number of dollars is 200 Avalanche, AVAX? At the hour of compassing, Avalanche has a for every symbolic valuation of $85. As a result, 200 AVAX tokens will be valued at $17,000. Is it safe to say that one is Avalanche, AVAX, enough to own? No, one Avalanche token isn't sufficient to possess, and justifiably. First off, and dissimilar to all the more similarly famous crypto resources like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Avalanche is humble evaluated, and nothing recommends that its worth will leap to remarkable levels anytime soon. Besides, and dissimilar to any semblance of Bitcoin that are supposed to hit a for every symbolic valuation of $1 plus million, there is a breaking point to how high AVAX token costs can get. A portion of the bars holding up traffic of Avalanche token costs ascending to inconceivable levels incorporate its swollen greatest stockpile of 720 million tokens, as well as fierce opposition from both Ethereum and Ethereum executioners. How do I convert Avalanche, AVAX, to dollars? It is straightforward. Begin by signing into the crypto trade where you